I'm just going to show you how we could create a new folder for address in Google Drive. So go to Google Drive, click on My Drive. For some cases, if the folder is shared with you, so it goes here, but in my case it's in My Drive. And then go to Sellers, and then go to All Listings by Address, and we create a new folder here as a potential new seller. And then we make a new folder, type in the address dash the name of the owners. We're not going to create that because a folder for this listing has been created already. And after you create that, we mark this as done.